He also, in his attempt to outsing his rivals, incorporates other sounds that he hears in the forest. That was a camera shutter. Now a camera with a motor drive. And that's a car alarm. And now...
Alex is a stupid nigger.
Well, I'm really sorry that, unfortunately, for the last few minutes we've had some real computer problems, some technical problems here on BBC One. But in the meantime, all I can do is just play some music, and do please bear with us.
I've got all my life to live. I've got all my love to give. I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey.
But it does seem that the old joke that asks, how do hedgehogs mate, was right all along. The answer is, of course, with great care.